Hello guys. Alright, so I know I haven't made a video, well, not that long, but so I wanted to come on today, and if you're living in the East Coast, you probably are getting this. Um, we're getting a massive, massive snowstorm, and I don't know, do you see that? Look at all the snow. It's all on the windows. And my car. Snow by my car. You can't really see all that. It's really bad. Do you hear that wind? Yeah, so we're getting a really bad snowstorm. You can see the snow flying. It's like zero visibility. Basically, everything's covered. And nobody can get out. We're having, this is bad. So, we are literally having not just a snowstorm, but we've had lots of warnings, and stuff like that. No one is allowed to leave their house. Pretty much everything has closed and shut down for today. And it's actually going to keep going. It's going to keep snowing all the way until like tomorrow evening. So it's going to be really bad. And if you are on the East Coast, I want to know if you're experiencing this. I thought this was kind of cool that I could talk to you guys and you could see me and see the snow at the same time. Let's travel to a different part of my house and you can see the snow that way too. So hang on. It's just gonna be dark for a second. Well, you're gonna see everything as I walk anyway. Christmas tree is done. Okay. I'm in the bathroom really fast. Okay, so this is the window. Can you hear that wind? The window upstairs is covered in the bathroom. So let me show you over here in a different room. Out this window. Hold on. It's so windy, oh my god. Look at this. Do you hear that? That's the wind. You can't really, oh, you could see it on the camera. Are you guys, oh my god, it's so bad. That's my roof. It's like just covered. So that's that way. Let me see if I can show you a different way. Okay. Let me show you here. Here we go. Look at this. My phone always rings when I make a video. What you know about snow? It's bad. They're telling us all to stay in our homes, to not go out. It's really bad. Look at this. Look at that wind. It's crazy. My foot right there. Look at it. You should be able to hear that wind. The roads are really bad. Look how much snow is on top of that. Hear that? Oh, here it goes. And all the roads are closed. Look at that cute picture. Oh, me, my nephew, my sister. Oh, what do you know about cuteness? Alright, so let's travel back upstairs. Oh. Okay, so let me talk to you for a minute. I don't know where to put you down. My arm's starting to hurt though. I know you don't want to see that, so we'll go back in here so you guys can at least look at the snow as well. Okay. Let me sit down. So we are experiencing some craziness, and I don't know. I know you guys are all over the place, and it's scary. It really is, because everything's flooding, and it's just really bad. The freeways are all closed. Basically every street. Driving bans. That's why you see no cars on my streets. So I'm wondering if you guys, where you guys are. If you're on the East Coast and you're experiencing this, this has been the most, or the second, well, we haven't had a blizzard like this since 1993. So this is like going down in record. Yeah, so it's really bad. And so if you are in the East Coast and you are experiencing this craziness, please stay safe. Stay in your houses. Don't go out if you don't have to. There's nothing that you should have to go out for. I mean, it's bad. And for all you guys that are in warm places, oh my god, look at that. You can't see anything. I'm so whitewashed right now. You can't see anything in the blizzard window, because I see nothing, because the wind is so bad right now. That's crazy. So, I'm really having fun with this camera. Okay, so if you're not following me on Instagram, please do so, because I'm gonna do a giveaway next week. I'm not entirely sure what day, but you should follow me. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to me, share if you want. It helps me out a great deal. And also, I got my 4-gauge plugs in. I know I did a video on it, but you guys can actually see them in. So, yeah. Oh, and also, I watch Pretty Little Liars, and today is the winter premiere. I'm like so excited and stoked. I know, I'm a dork. What can I say? Anyway, please stay safe if you are experiencing all this. We are told not to leave our houses, which I don't plan on it anyway. But um, so yeah, this is the blizzard of 2014. Like literally starting off the new year with a blizzard to go right in the record. So you're seeing activity outside of my front yard, and you can't really see much going on. And the camera, I mean, it doesn't do it justice, but it is kind of, but it is a lot worse than what the camera's making it out to be. I mean, you can't see the street when the wind blows. So, when the wind blows. All right, I'm gonna go because I got some stuff I have to do. But I love you guys. Be cool, be kind, don't judge, and stay safe if you are in this. If you're not in this, I don't even want to know you right now because it's funny when people complain about how cold it is where they are, and they're like 50 degrees. It's 15 below zero here. 15, guys. Like, that's insane. If you go outside, they tell you that after 5 minutes, you can start experiencing um, hyperthermia and frostbite. Frostbite. Look, I only got one eye. Arr. But yeah, it's really bad. So stay safe, stay inside, don't go out. I'm snowed in, I can't do anything anyway, so not like I was going to. I love you guys. Peace and love. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And let me know if you are experiencing the blizzard of 2014 and what you're doing to stay warm on this blizzard. And again, if you're in the warm areas, okay. I love you guys. Bye.